अर्थविलास, इसके फाउंडर बनने का कैसे मन में आया?
See, the most important part of anybody's life is, why are we living? Unless you keep yourself well, you won't be able to succeed. The success is within you.
Why only Rajasthan?
Why I chose this particular place where I am right now is a rehabilitation center for cows. And this is the only one in the country.
ऐसा क्या है जो एक टूरिस्ट या गेस्ट अर्थविलास में स्पेशल पाता है?
सबसे पहले तो ये इतना बड़ा जो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है, दिस इज अराउंड 5000 स्क्वायर फीट एरिया. इतना बड़ा स्ट्रक्चर विदाउट एनी स्टील एंड आयरन एंड सीमेंट और कास्टिंग, मुझे नहीं लगता कि कंट्री में मैंने कहीं देखा है.
आप लोग का कहना है कि बस एक वीकेंड यहाँ पर रहकर देखो और आप अगले 1 साल के लिए रिचार्ज हो जाओगे. तो इतना बड़ा दावा.
एक्चुअली
भारत के एक इम्पॉर्टेंट एयरक्राफ्ट और एक क्या ऐसे कई सारे एयरक्राफ्ट, राफेल जैसे एयरक्राफ्ट को जहां पर रखा जाता था, उसके इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर को मैनेज करने से लेकर आज पीछे जो आप आवाज़ सुन रहे हैं वो झरने की आवाज़ है और हम जहां पर बैठे हैं वो बांस का बना घर है. उस इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर से लेके इस इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर तक कैसे पहुंची? जी हाँ, आज हम बात करने जा रहे हैं रिटायर्ड विंग कमांडर अंजलि अय्यर मैम से. मैम, बहुत स्वागत है आपका.
थैंक यू सो मच.
सबसे पहले यही सवाल है, अर्थविलास, इसके फाउंडर बनने का कैसे मन में आया?
See, the most important part of anybody's life is, why are we living? The first and most question is, why are we living? And there is a journey. And we, in today's rut of life, if I call it, we are forgetting ourselves. We are just managing our time to finish off the tasks lined up, the timelines, the meetings, or maybe whatever the stress we are taking to our body. So effectively, the end of the day, we are forgetting ourselves, we are forgetting our body, and the most important thing to do all these tasks or to undertake your responsibilities in life is, unless you keep yourself well, you won't be able to succeed. The success is within you. So the main aim of making this kind of an infrastructure is to make aware, people should come to know about it, that how you can live in peace with nature and how you can be a healer of yourself.
Was this a business decision or a personal calling?
It was a personal calling because I just wanted to, prove something to myself. And I was always at back of my mind that I wanted to make such kind of an infrastructure, though I'm not a professionally qualified architect or an engineer to do that. But yes, somewhere I had got an expertise on the infrastructure development and all in my so-called previous career. So with that and maybe a bent of mind towards the environmental science studies which I've undertaken. So there was somewhere, and I was always into a dream world that I want to make such kind of an infrastructure which is very, very sustainable, close to nature, and where you can come down to earth there and you can know yourself. So this was a challenge given to myself by me, and fortunately it took us little time, and when I had that time in my life,
Post your services.
Yes, you can call as my next inning, maybe third inning of my career. So I decided that now I won't run behind the rut of life. I will just concentrate on calming down, and maybe if I can reach out to people with this kind of infrastructure. But this was a personal call, not a business point of view. Just to be here, stay with nature, work towards the agriculture sustainability, which I had adopted over a period of time, which I'm working on, and to have some social cause here by teaching people on that, spreading the knowledge of sustainability and the living with nature concept.
And why only Rajasthan? Why not Kerala, जहाँ के आप हैं?
Yes.
Why not Jabalpur, जहाँ आप पले बड़े? Or why not Kashi?
Yes, definitely. I could have chosen any such thing, and including Hyderabad, where I reside right now.
Yes.
But yes, it is a call of the day everywhere. We this should be done everywhere, not only in India, across, abroad, everywhere. But yes, why I chose this particular place where I am right now is a rehabilitation center for cows. And this is the only one in the country which treats the cow who are stray, or maybe who have met with accident, or people have disowned them, or the cow has died during the birth of the child, so the calf is here. So there is no discrepancy, there is no disparity between the animals. They are here. There are around 18 to 20,000 cattle are here.
Oh.
So my step, why I was attracted here, that I wanted to serve the cows. So one step which I took was to grow fodder for them. Now this is not only growing fodder for cows and just making them sustainable. This was actually, the thought behind it was making the land sustainable. The land was barren, lying idle, put to no use, and the Gaushala was purchasing fodder for the cows at a very high rate from outside. So once when we were deliberating, studying, our team was working on it. So we decided to convert the barren land into a sustainable green field. So right now we started with 100 acres project, and we had to go up to 400 acres right here in this particular place. And we have taken this project for 10 years. And this is the first time in India such thing is happening, that some company is doing it for the Gaushala. So we have made the land sustainable, and we are growing fodder very proudly. I can say that we are the largest fodder bank in the country, where we give it to the Gaushalas. And this was the background. So I chose this particular place for that. But yes, when I saw that actually a lot of idle land lying, and this is a place where a lot of people come, revering the cows. They come for visiting Gaushalas, and their own religious things and thought processes. So there are a lot of visitors here, and this is the only thing when they can come close to the nature. So developing again, this was again a barren land. We have converted into a forest, a thick forest. It's almost 1 hectare of land, and it is where this bamboo house is residing, and the thick forest with some waterfalls and all that. So when they come here, they visit cows, they spend the time in that kind of a
close to nature.
Close to nature.
Yep.
So they come here, they spend some time here also. They feel very relaxed and very. So all these school trips, the children from school, children from college, various doctors from the institutions studying or maybe passed out. So a lot of people come. Thousands and thousands of people are coming here. So this is how I can maybe spread some small message to the world.
So this is the reason Jaipur had been chosen.
Yes, one of them.
Or Jaipur had chosen you.
Yeah, maybe.
Also, ये जो अर्थ विलास का आपका वेंचर है, this helps Gaushala as well.
Yes.
है ना, वो उसी इकोसिस्टम का पार्ट है.
Yes, it's a part of it.
यहाँ से पहले सवाल का जो आपने जवाब दिया था कि it was never a business.
Yeah.
It was a personal calling.
Correct.
आपकी गौ सेवा करने की इच्छा, और उसके साथ में उसको सस्टेनेबल बनाने के लिए ये एक बिजनेस मॉडल जुड़ा.
Yes.
और अल्टीमेटली इसके प्रॉफिट्स गौशाला के पास भी जाएंगे.
Yes.
Okay.
The profits will actually go to Gaushala only, because whatever activities are being done here, and people really want to come and stay, spend some time here. We have some healing processes also. So whatever we generate a bit, after offsetting the actual expenses, the things will go to Gaushala.
So let's come to अर्थ विलास. ऐसा क्या है जो एक टूरिस्ट या गेस्ट अर्थ विलास में स्पेशल पाता है? मतलब उसका एक्सपीरियंस दूसरे रिजॉर्ट या होटल्स या मॉटल्स उनसे अलग क्यों?
ओके, ये एक्चुअली बहुत अलग है. इसमें बहुत सारे रीजंस हैं इसके अलग होने के. सबसे पहले तो ये इतना बड़ा जो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है, दिस इज अराउंड 5000 स्क्वायर फीट एरिया. इतना बड़ा स्ट्रक्चर विदाउट एनी स्टील एंड आयरन एंड सीमेंट और कास्टिंग, मुझे नहीं लगता कि कंट्री में मैंने कहीं देखा है. एंड दिस इज द ओनली वन ऑफ इट्स काइंड स्ट्रक्चर which is a double storied structure, 5000 square feet area, and the first floor is also made up of complete bamboo support and the flooring. So when we talk about structure wise, I can divide it into the asset aspect or the infrastructure aspect. So it is unique in the infrastructure aspect that the area, the strength, the type of material which has been used, the bamboo, cow dung, mud. Now when I come to the energy part of it, the energy says that this particular structure has been made by hand by artisans from all over the part of our country. They've been chosen, handpicked. The detailing, it is having a lot of details in which artisans have worked by hand. So the pran urja has gone into the construction of this particular structure.
और वो वाइब फील होता है.
Yes, absolutely.
बहुत पॉजिटिव फील होता है.
Correct. So every detailing, every wall is probably you'll find different. They are not matching. A lot of things are very much asymmetric. They are deliberate. And something, because it is by hand, it's by nature, like the look of bamboo, we have not tried to fiddle with that. We have not tried to straighten it. We have just tried to keep the natural look of those curves and the turns, the straightness or the stiffness. We want that to be visible. So that is another thing. Now when the pran urja is here, you will find a lot of positivity, lot of energy, and when you are standing here, your feet is touching the earth, your feet is touching the cow dung, so you are automatically
ये जो फ्लोर पे भी जो लेपा गया है वो गोबर और मिट्टी और इसका लेप है.
लेप है, हाँ. और जो दीवारें भी बनाई गई हैं वो भी हाथ से बनाई गई ईंटें हैं, अडोबे. उसमें वो कोई बाजार से खरीदी हुई ईंटें नहीं हैं. उनको हाथ से लेबर ने बनाया है, सांचे में डाला है, सांचे से उसको धूप में सुखाया है, और उसके बाद, और ये काफ़ी मोटी और चौड़ी ब्रिक्स हैं, तो इनमें इनका रोल ये है कि इनके क्लाइमेट वाइज भी ये अपने आप को चेंज करती हैं. गर्मियों में ठंडक देती हैं और सर्दियों में वो गर्माहट उतना
आज मेरे साथ हुआ. मैं जब आपके पॉडकास्ट के लिए, तो मैंने अपने सैंडल्स रिमूव किए और मैं नंगे पैर इसके ऊपर जैसे ही पैर रखा है तो एक अच्छी सी ठंडक मुझे महसूस हुई और ऐसा लगा जैसे पूरी बॉडी में कुछ एनर्जी फ्लो हो रही है.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. एंड काऊ डंग अगर देखा जाए तो इट हैज़ द पावर of removing a lot of toxicity from your body. You just have to sit on, keep your feet on cow dung for say 15 minutes a day. And you just follow this for 3 months, and I think you are having that. You will have change in your blood pressure. If high BP is there, you have changes in the sugar levels. You will have, if the liver is having malfunction, there are a lot of things which this particular structure will give you. And now when I come to the luxury, see, I cannot tell you that the present 5-star or 7-star hotels and the motels available, I'm not comparing this structure because it's not comparable at all, first of all. But yes, luxury wise, it has its plunge pool next attached to the bedroom. It has steam room. It has mud bath area. It has sauna. It has therapy rooms. It has a complete the sun bath area. And the complete property of 1 hectare is private to the guest when the guest arrives here.
Okay.
So this makes the property really very different, and there's no clutter here. There is no commotion of crowd here. We just do not entertain crowd.
यहाँ तो आसपास की भी आवाज नहीं आ रही, मतलब कोई गाड़ी की आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
बिल्कुल, एब्सोल्युटली
कुछ नहीं, सिर्फ पक्षियों की आवाज आती है,
एब्सोल्युटली
झरने की आवाज आ रही है. और ये जो जैसे 5000 स्क्वायर फीट में तो ये वाला एरिया है जिसमें ये बैम्बू हाउस बना हुआ है. इसके अलावा मैंने देखा कि आप लोगों ने जंगल भी क्रिएट किया है, टनल्स टाइप के कुछ बनाए हैं वाटर फ्लो होने के लिए. तो वो पूरा एंटायर, ये पूरा एरिया उस गेस्ट का ही है.
यस, एब्सोल्युटली. ये कंप्लीट एरिया जो 14,000 स्पीशीज ऑफ ट्रीज लगाए, 14,000 प्लांट्स लगाए हैं हमने. उसमें काफ़ी सारे स्पीशीज़ हैं, मेडिसिनल प्लांट्स भी हैं, ऑर्नामेंटल भी हैं, फ्रूट बेयरिंग भी हैं, और इनको मियावाकी कॉन्सेप्ट से लगाया गया है इकोसिस्टम डेवलप करने का. बेसिकली कंप्लीट रीजनरेशन ऑफ दिस बैरन लैंड. तो इकोसिस्टम जब डेवलप हो रहा है तो हम इकोसिस्टम के साथ कैसे मर्ज होकर रहें. सो it's, you can call it as a permaculture way also, which we encourage people to live. But it does not mean that you stay in unhealthy way or in dirty way. But yes, complete things have been looked after, the safety, the security, the hygiene, everything is looked after. But yes, we encourage people to stay in permaculture way, where the animals are also residing near you, the plants are there, the insects are there, everything is there. But you will be comfortable. The stay will be absolutely comfortable.
Comfortable, safe, healthy,
Safe, healthy,
hygienic.
absolutely hygienic.
Yep. What exactly healing means to you? और यहाँ पर आकर कैसे फर्क पड़ता है कि मतलब आप जो भी टॉक्सिटी और अपना बैगेज और फास्ट लाइफ और ये सब जो जी कर आ रहे हो, और आप लोग का कहना है कि बस एक वीकेंड यहाँ पर रह कर देखो
True.
और आप अगले 1 साल के लिए रिचार्ज हो जाओगे, तो इतना बड़ा दावा, तो आपको क्यों लगता है ये कि इतनी अच्छी हीलिंग हो जाएगी, इंसान इतना रिचार्ज हो जाएगा सिर्फ 2 दिन सैटरडे संडे अगर यहाँ बिता ले,
Correct.
है ना?
हाँ.
पूरे 365 में से कोई भी 2 दिन.
करेक्ट एब्सोल्युटली.
तो-
इसमें एक्चुअली ये जब लोग आएंगे रहेंगे तो वो खुद यही बात बोलेंगे कि इतना क्विक रिचार्ज था ये. 2 days was a quick capsule recharge. And healing does not mean that आप यहाँ आए तो आपको कुछ बड़ी बीमारियां हैं वो 2 दिन में हम ठीक करके आपको भेज रहे हैं. इट्स नॉट दैट.
वो जादू या चमत्कार नहीं हो रहा
जादू
है.
चमत्कार नहीं है, या कोई हम भविष्यवाणी कोई हम ऐसा चीज नहीं कर रहे. बट यस, व्हाट वी इंटेंड टू प्रोवाइड हियर is your complete physical, mental and emotional healing. It's a complete kind of a healing of a body which is not subject to any kind of a external medication or something like that. And you can be your own healer thereafter. Once you understand what is the right way of leading your life. So absolutely it's a very quick recharge for 2 days, but in these 2 days the way you lead your life, you try and follow the same thing when you go back, minus living with nature, which we only can provide. But if you still follow the way of life which we have, I'll not say taught you, but we have given the experience to you, you will be your own healer and you will keep having this kind of a detoxification yourself. So once you reach the property, we start not only from the physical but mental and emotional healing is very important. We concentrate on that.
Have you gone through some kind of emotional moment in your personal life, या फिर गेस्ट के साथ में कि वो यहाँ आए हों और इमोशनल हो गए हों जब वो यहाँ से जा रहे हों, तो जैसे होता ना कि लोग cry out हो गए या फिर
Absolutely. We have some small activities also on this, in which we try to outburst their certain emotions, because every individual has emotions, you know, and कई बार ऐसा होता है कि they do not come out with that, hold करके रखते हैं. Whatever the reasons may be, कि भाई domestic ये है, official ये है, तो we have to maintain our reputation on the face value. So here it's absolutely clear and crystal. There's nobody who can judge you, who's watching you. It's only you who's watching that what I can do for myself. Now when we subject you to certain kind of activities, I'll just give a small activity like when a person comes here and we ask them to write few lines about them. कुछ भी आता है उनके thought में वो लिखते हैं और उसको हम preserve करके रखते हैं अपने पास में. And after a few days with us, maybe a week stay or whatever package they have taken, when they stay with us, and at the end of it we ask them to write a letter to themselves. What a sea change we find. The mental orientation they were when they came here and what they scribbled, and the day when they were leaving, what they wrote. And when we ask them a day prior, we ask them to write it, and when we ask them to read it, because that is so personal that it is not meant for anybody. If you have written, it is meant for you only. Only you can see it till the time you allow anybody else to access that. So when they read it, they actually cry many times. They outburst. They come to know about themselves, that what am I right now, and what I can be. This is what.
So does this impact you as well? जब इस तरह के responses आते हैं कि आपने ये बैम्बू हाउस बना के, मतलब लोग इतना ज़्यादा इमोशनल हो रहे हैं, आपको ऐसा लगता है?
I am very emotional as a personality, very tough from the look, but very very emotional from the personality, and I really feel so touched when people come here. They appreciate and they say that the type of sleep which we get here, and when we get up in the morning, so many people have told me. I mean, this has become a routine now for me to listen that we slept so well that we didn't even realize that.
और ये हमने भी आपको बोला आज,
आपने भी बोला ये
आज
बात।
दोपहर में हमने और हमारी
Yes.
टीम ने सबने बोला है कि
Yes.
हम 2 घंटे ऐसे सोए हैं जैसे हम लोग 20 घंटे सोकर उठे हों,
उठे।
और इतनी डीप स्लीप काफी लंबे समय से नहीं हुई थी।
हाँ, it is like this. The person has slept, and the person says that somebody has really woken me up like this, and I'm not feeling tired. I'm feeling like I'm rested so much, and I'm very fresh and recouped.
Yes, yes, yes.
So this is the effect of bamboo. This is the effect of the serene. I mean, the environment here.
The oxygen levels are
The
high.
oxygen levels are high. We have so many trees around. We have, apart from the 14,000 plants, we have also planted 7,000 bamboo trees here.
Oh.
Bamboo in itself is 30% more oxygen to the environment.
And then 18 to 20,000 cows.
18 to 20,000 cows. So you imagine the type of positivity which is reaching here. The type of aura which is available in this particular area. And the moment person enters that and comes down from the steps, the change is felt immediately thereon as if it's a flip button. And people say like that. It may be sounding very, cooked up story, but people say like that. Just with 10 steps, and they say that before they reach the bell, they say that I'm feeling very different. They've not even seen the property till that time. They've not even entered the Earth Villas. But they feel that.
And how you were feeling when you were in Air Force कि ये इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बनाया है और आज लोग इमोशनली कनेक्ट हो रहे हैं और आपके सामने खुली किताब की तरह अपना फीडबैक देकर जा रहे हैं। और एक दौर वो भी था जब आप कमांड्स लेते भी होगे, कमांड्स देते भी होगे, और इतना स्ट्रिक्ट शेड्यूल होगा आपका, तो वो टाइम कैसा था आपका सर्विस का?
बहुत अच्छा टाइम था, वो भी बहुत अच्छा टाइम था। मैंने बहुत सीखा। दैट्स द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग दैट आई एम सो प्राउड when I revisit those moments, and I still feel very emotional. Whenever I think those times, I still get very emotional. And they were actually one of the best parts of my journey, which has taught me so much, which has made me a very strong individual to sustain hardships, to see, it's not that the forces doesn't have emotion. There's a lot of emotion attached, and with these emotions only you are working for your country and leaving behind your family. But when you look ahead, so you have some kind of an aim there, so you forget all that, you forget the pain, and you keep just working for that aim. So these are the things which have been taught to me by the Indian Air Force, and I always carry a lot of good memories. And probably the development of infrastructure has I have learnt that more professionally, being in my profession of Air Force. So that has taught me to look with the eye of detail, the quality, how you have to bring up. And otherwise also I was bent on this.
Which you had incorporated here as well.
Yes.
And you were serving the country then, and after services also you are serving the country in terms of this.
In terms of this.
Because it is spiritual, it is a healing process, getting back to nature.
Yes.
है ना?
Yes.
तो आप अभी भी सर्विस ही कर रहे हैं?
हाँ,
मतलब
सर्विस ही कर रहे हैं। मतलब again, what is the strength of any country? The fit people.
Yes. Yes.
That's the strength of the country.
Yes, yes. अच्छा, किस किस तरह की बुकिंग्स या कोई स्पेसिफिक लोग हैं जो कर सकते हैं, या कोई भी उम्र के लोग हों, वीकडेज में, वीकेंड्स में, या आप लोग के जो सेशंस होते हैं उनको अटेंड करते हैं? कैसे होती है अर्थ विलास में बुकिंग?
See, there are majorly 3 types of journeys. One is your leisure and retreat, which is a small, quick recharge pack for you, and emotional healing, mental healing and all. So that is a weekend or weekdays, anywhere, whenever you are free for a quick 1-day tour or 2 days tour. So anybody who wants to come out of the stress stress from the office, from boss, or whatever, or somebody who wants to come out of pollution. Okay, or even old age people, if they want to, come out. Like I have here, I mean, it's very good thing to say that a lot of people, they come that I want to celebrate my parents' anniversary.
Yeah.
So they come here.
Yeah.
So they come to Goshala also, and we take them for a tour to the cows. They feed them. So they feel a very good connectivity, and they feel very relieved. It's a way of relieving your emotions again by feeding cow. So they bring their parents also. Sometimes people plan for their anniversaries. People plan for their children's birthdays. So a lot of activities keep taking the whole week or weekend. Weekends are very tight. And so the leisure and retreat, of course, definitely as a family or as a couple, people are most welcome. The second, we call it as the wellness. So when somebody comes for wellness, it can be for a week stay, for 14 days, for 21 days, depending upon what kind of wellness you need. And accordingly, we have a set of people who are lined up to give you different kind of orientation, whether it is elemental, whether it is anything physical. So we have a set of people, we have a set of doctors to look after. So that is their journey for the healing and wellness. And one very important aspect which we are encouraging right now is the Garbh Sanskara.
Okay, and what exactly it is?
The Garbh Sanskara, when we talk about, it's again a very, very ancient thing from our Vedas. And the rite, it's basically, when we call it in a general term, it's a conscious conception. Or you can even call it as a planned pregnancy. Because in today's stressed life, people really don't know what they are doing. Why are they doing? They're just running out of the stress. They have a lot of issues, PCOD, they're not able to conceive. This is not a treatment actually, but it is a phase wherein you can come here, relax. We will give you orientation for a conscious conception wherein we can tell you how a right seed can be planted. What is the right way, what is the right time, how it can be done, and how your journey for the next 3 trimesters becomes beautiful.
Wow.
That is the Garbh Sanskara. It's actually a very, very beautiful topic, very vast topic, but I'm just concluding in very few words.
This is a beautiful concept, and I mean, it's a new kind of what we can say, a package or a way to live for 7-8 days in those
Yes.
period.
See, basically, I'm not talking about the pregnancy now. I'm just saying pre-pregnancy. Before you intend to do it, before you intend to plan for pregnancy, you can come here and stay for a week, 10 days, 14 days. And we orient you, we cleanse you completely for having to attract the positive energy, because everything what happens in a human body, when we talk about the energy, E is equal to mc square, and it is constant. It will never change.
Yes.
So if there is a soul which is going out, a soul which is coming in, it is all balanced. So when we talk about this, we are going in the search of the right soul to come to be planted at the right fetus. Basically, in common layman's language, we can say that.
All these kind of packages will be listed on your website, right?
Yes, it is there.
And people can book from there.
Book from there. Again, we don't have a normal booking concept. We have a concierge concept, wherein people who are interested just to enter in the website that yes, we are interested in what we want to do, because all the options are there.
Post an inquiry.
Yes, just inquiry kind of a thing. And the moment we receive it, within 24 hours, our concierge will contact and will prepare a plan for you. Your itinerary will be prepared according to your choice. And we design it thereafter.
ये कितना अलग है, जैसे जनरली रिक्रिएशन के लिए या आउटिंग के लिए जाते हैं, बहुत सरल शब्दों में आप कम शब्दों में बताइए कि कम और सरल शब्दों में कि कैसे दूसरे रिजॉर्ट या अपने फैमिली या किसी को भी लेकर जब इंसान जाता है और अर्थ विलास में आना, ये दोनों अलग कैसे?
दूसरे रिजॉर्ट में आपको सारी एमिनिटीज लग्जरीज तो मिल जाएंगी,
हाँ
अर्थ विलास में आपको एमिनिटीज लग्जरी मिलेंगी, बट इसके अलावा जो हम प्लान करते हैं यहाँ पे, हीलिंग्स का हमारा एक पार्ट है विच इज़ पार्ट ऑफ द पैकेज.
So that is mental healing, emotional healing,
and physical
healing.
Yes,
Okay.
physical, mental, emotional healing. जो हमने इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर जो आपको बाकी होटल्स में मिलते हैं, विच इज़ अ पब्लिक इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, वेयर द स्टीम रूम, जिम और वट एवर द थिंग, स्विमिंग पूल एंड ऑल, हियर इट इज़ अ प्राइवेट.
हाँ
It is not public.
हाँ.
The property is yours. The moment you are here, you are the king and the queen here.
अब वो कहीं और रिजॉर्ट्स में जाते हैं तो एक कॉटेज आपका है,
एक cottage
लेकिन
आपका
उसके
है.
आसपास 25 कॉटेज और हैं.
Yes, yes.
और जहां आप खाना खाने जा रहे हो वहां पर भी 4 लोग और बैठे
भी
हुए हैं आपके
बैठे
साथ
होंगे,
में,
हाँ.
और कोई गाना सुनना चाह रहा है, कोई क्रिकेट मैच देख रहा है. अच्छा हाँ, मैंने एक चीज और नोटिस की यहाँ पर कि आपने एलईडीज वगैरह नहीं है.
नहीं, बिल्कुल भी नहीं.
आपने कोशिश करी है, और हमारे मोबाइल में नेटवर्क भी कम आ रहा है कि बाहर की दुनिया से इंसान कटे,
Yeah.
और वो कटेगा तभी तो रिचार्ज होकर
बाहर जाएगा,
फिर से
वरना
बाहर
वो
की
उसी-
दुनिया में.
उसी,
हाँ.
उसी चीज में अगर वो रहा तो वो फिर फंस जाएगा ना, फिर वो यहाँ आ क्यों रहा है.
हाँ.
So basically digital fasting, which we encourage, and we also encourage that you have to find a stillness in yourself. वो ज़्यादा important है. और हमने जो प्लान करते हैं यहाँ पे, we also plan some kind of a meditation. We plan guided meditation in forest.
Oh.
We plan guided yoga, we plan musical therapy, we plan floating musical therapy. Then we also give some discourse on Gita. If it is, if they volunteer for it, if they want it.
Yes, yes.
Then we have some kind of cultural activities also, but very limited. They are very specific to the healings aspect. They are not just that somebody is coming and performing dance or somebody is performing music. They are all based on some kind of a musical healing and with particular sound frequency.
Oh.
So that kind of small functions, especially the winters which have gone, so with bonfire and some such kind of functions that we do.
And I have seen in small things also, which can make a big difference. Like जो टंग क्लीनर है वो नीम का बना हुआ है.
हाँ जी.
आपके ब्रश अलग हैं, आपके टाल्स अलग हैं, और फ्लोर, और ये ये सब कुछ तो बहुत
हमारा
डिटेलिंग
लिनन इज बैम्बू थ्रेड से बना हुआ है.
हाँ, हाँ.
और जो हमारी टॉयलेटरी किट है उसमें आपको काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें मिलेंगी एक्चुअली. अब नाउ इफ़ यू आस्क मी टूथपेस्ट,
हाँ, पेस्ट भी.
हाँ, पेस्ट भी डिफरेंट है, बट अभी उसमें और हमारे मॉडिफिकेशंस चल रहे हैं जिसमें विच वी हैव ट्राइड टू अकोमोडेट पीपल्स थॉट आल्सो, बिकॉज वी हैव अ वेरी वेरी आप बोलेंगे एक विंटेज टाइप का झरना लगाया आपने नहाने के लिए. तो हमने वी ट्राई टू अकोमोडेट पीपल की एक नॉर्मल शार लगा देते हैं कि अगर किसी को झरना पसंद नहीं आया तो. बट इफेक्टिवली द मेन रीजन ऑफ दैट झरना is that when that water falls in that pressure on your body, it opens all the pores of your body. तो ऐसे हमने बट कई जगह लोगों को अकोमोडेट किया कि भाई अगर उनको ये पसंद नहीं आया, उनको एक नॉर्मल शार चाहिए. कई लोग होते हैं, they're very finicky about it. So we try to accommodate. So we put the toothpaste also herbal, but actual toothpaste is little bit of turmeric, little bit of salt, सरसों का तेल, little bit of lemon in that.
अरे वाह.
Put it in the brush which we have given you, neem ka brush, bamboo ka brush, apply and do it. But if you really don't want to do it, so there's another toothpaste. You can use that toothpaste.
So it's a perfect blend of luxury lifestyle.
Yes.
And nature.
And the right way of living.
Right way of living. Yes.
We really don't know what we are using which is carcinogenic. वही टूथपेस्ट हम यूज कर रहे हैं, बट वी रियली डोंट नो वेदर इट विल कॉज कैंसर टू अस और इट्स गुड फॉर आवर लाइफ. हेल्थ.
ट्रू.
वो टेस्ट अच्छा है और वो खुशबू अच्छा देगा, एंड सो योर
झाग आएगा,
सो
क्रिस्टल्स आते हैं.
तो वो सारी चीजें हैं. एंड इवन फूड टू दैट एस्पेक्ट इज वेरी डिफरेंट. Food is not on a la carte or something. It is specifically tailor made. If the guests are here for their 7, 14, 21 days therapy, so that will be absolutely taken care of by the nutritionist, and as per that the sattvic food, but presented and palatable in such a way that you will not find any difference from a 5-star hotel.
Oh, great.
The presentation, the taste of the food, you won't find that it is a food for a मरीज कि बीमारों का खाना खिला दिया, हम तो यहाँ पे क्लेंजिंग के लिए आए तो हमें उबला हुआ खाना मिलेगा. But you will get that nutrition only in that ubla hua khana, but you will get the complete taste. And you will think that you were in the 5-star hotel to have, you are, have eating it.
Wow, wow. On this note, let's get down to rapid fire, जिसमें हम आपका जानेंगे कि आपका स्वभाव कैसा है.
Okay.
तो मैं 2 ऑप्शन दूंगा, 2 में से आपको एक चूज करना है. अर्थ और फायर.
Fire.
सनराइज रिचुअल और नाइट मेडिटेशन.
Night meditation.
साइलेंस और साउंड हीलिंग.
Sound healing.
Sound healing, oh. You actually don't like silence.
No, I don't like silence.
Oh. That's so contradictory. Most powerful therapy according to you?
Most powerful therapy.
Yeah.
I find the music therapy the best.
Ah.
To calm you down, to bring you back to your roots, because whatever, if I'm talking and suddenly I do this, you will not look at me, you will look at this.
Yeah.
Because there's a separate sound which is produced here.
Yeah.
Or when I'm talking and I just bang. So you will look here. So your attention is not on what I'm saying. Your attention is on that sound.
Sound wave जो हाँ.
So your brain
Yes.
works on that sound, not at your look. There are 5 senses definitely in our body, but the brain works with all those 5 senses, and the most immediate one is the sound.
Very
Rest all is little later, little milli microseconds later. Your feel, your touch. If I touch, so I'll get current somewhere sometime, or but that's all a millisecond later. The first and most important thing is sound. So I believe very strongly, and it is a magnificent healer. Magnificent healer.
true. Wow. One word for modern life.
Model.
Modern life.
Modern life. I think you must come. You must ground down. Modern life is too stressing, too show off. I think it's a show off buzz kind of a thing. So you're asking about that, but I would like to give a suggestion that come down, ground, and ground. Come to the stillness. It's too fast.
True. One word for Earth Vilas.
Silence, beauty. This is what I can call Earth Vilas is.
मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है कि अर्थ विलास अपने आप में एक सिनोनिम हो जाएगा. साइलेंस, ब्यूटी, कामनेस, नेचर. और जब कोई और किसी से ये पूछेगा कि वन वर्ड फॉर ऑल दीज 4 वर्ड्स, तो लोग बोलेंगे अर्थ विलास.
Absolutely.
Healing means what to you? What healing means to you?
Healing, again, that's why I said that it is a complete synchronization of your mind, body, and soul.
Wow, great.
So if they are synchronized, you are a absolutely person in your fitness.
Perfect. Yep.
So this is
And what luxury means to you?
luxury means living with nature to me. Luxury means sustainability to me. Luxury means how I can be my own healer and how I can pamper myself with the natural thing and with the things which are existing since ages in our Vedas, which we are supposedly to be doing and we are not doing. So if I find that, that's luxury for me.
And any myth about Ayurveda?
Myth about Ayurveda, basically people think that आपने वो पंचकर्मा करा लिया, वो मसाज करा लिया और खाना ये छोड़ दिया और वो बहुत उबला हुआ खाना खा लिया, ये करा लिया, तो वो आयुर्वेदा है. और but it is not like that. It is a very different science in it itself, and properly proven science, which really does not need any medication. Every food you eat is a medicine. It is just the way how you eat it.
And how much you eat it, when to eat it.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
You eat a potato. It's very good for your body. But how do you eat it? Do you boil it and eat? Or do you fry it and eat? It has a different connotation.
Yes.
And the moment you fry a thing, Ayurveda teaches you all these small things. That frying, what happens, it releases a chemical which we do not know, but the taste is good. Everybody is deep frying the potatoes and french fries and all, everybody is having. But the amount of toxins or the carcinogen it is generating in our body, that people are not realizing.
Yes.
So considering that Ayurveda is a type of treatment only, कि आपको कुछ चूरन वूरन और ये सब दे देंगे और ये खा लो वो खा लो, it's not like that. It's a science in itself.
अच्छा, आपने ये तो बताया कि हर तरह का इंसान यहाँ आ सकता है, जिसको नेचर के करीब रहना है, जिसको किसी भी तरह का पॉज चाहिए लाइफ में और हीलिंग के लिए आना चाह रहा है, या वो किस तरह का इंसान नहीं आना चाहिए यहाँ पर?
देखो, मुझे लगता है कि हर किस्म का इंसान आना चाहिए, बट no smoking, no alcohol, no kind of toxification, which we allow here. And it is not that it is because we do not allow in the property. It is for you we are not allowing. So we definitely want those people also to come here and feel the change. That yes, they after coming here they don't feel like having that. So I would like everybody to come here. But yes, there are a few things which we should avoid. Keep it behind. Just remove that coat there. Come as the natural self of yours and go from here as a new yourself.
Yes, yes.
Redefined yourself.
How different Earth Villas is from conventional resorts and hotels?
It's staying in a bamboo house, you know. It itself has a lot of effect on the backbone. And in a human body, or anybody to that matter, any animal or anybody, the backbone plays a very important role. Every nerve is originating and going to various parts of the body. So if the backbone is absolutely all right, your most of the organs are working fine. That is the concept. And staying in bamboo house, sleeping on a bamboo bed is having a lot of positive effect on that. You will have as such a very good sleep, which I already told you, and you will have a lot of healings, and with few days of staying like this, maybe you can get rid of a lot of your medicines.
और जो आप वो बता रहे थे कि इसकी एक पर्टिकुलर एक्सरसाइज भी होती है.
Yes, एक्चुअली जब लेजर एंड रिट्रीट के लिए लोग आते हैं, इसको मैं हीलिंग से क्लब अप नहीं करना चाह रही. लेजर एंड रिट्रीट में भी जब आप आ रहे हो ना, तो यू आर द किंग एंड द क्वीन हियर. द प्रॉपर्टी बिलोंग्स टू यू. So you're majestic. We are available with you from the moment you get up in the morning, with your rituals starting from the morning, with your detox drink, or how actually the life should be. Like that, we'll guide you. We will handhold your processes the whole day till your night rituals. We'll have the night, the Nidra therapy as well, which is again a part of leisure. It's nothing which is related to treatment.
Yes.
Unless we consider that we are बीमार और हमें treatment किया जा रहा है, but it's a part of the leisure wherein you are subjected to some good music, you are subjected to some kind of a Kasya feet massage. You're given that relaxed, atmosphere to have a good night's sleep. And before that, we have a small 2 to 3 minutes of exercise for your backbone, which keeps you agile for a very long period. And if you follow that, whether you are in Earth Villas or at your home, this will keep you, intact. So the moment you sleep and get up in the morning, again that small 2 to 3 minutes of exercise, which activates your backbone and the nerves there, stimulates that, and then you are quick up, set to go.
So this summarize कि अर्थ विलास एक ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पर प्रकृति के पांचों तत्व को आप, जो भी गेस्ट आ रहे हैं, जो भी यहाँ पर रुकने आ रहा है, आप कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि उस तक पहुँचे और वो उनसे कनेक्ट हो.
करेक्ट, वेरी ट्रू.
तो बहुत अच्छा लगा. आज हमारे साथ थी फाउंडर ऑफ अर्थ विलास और उनकी टैगलाइन भी यही है, व्हेन द एलिमेंट्स आर इन हार्मनी विद बॉडी एंड माइंड,
health blossoms and life becomes nourishing.